How to change Snapchat profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Snapchat profile picture. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is just tap on your profile picture. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera roll section. Now from here, you can simply select the picture that you want to add in your profile picture. And here, once you have selected it, on the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on confirm. And here, once you tap on it, your profile picture will be updated. And that's it. That's how you can change Snapchat profile picture. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.